Morning guys, here we've got Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and let me show you how to check total screen time. So, at first enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then select digital wellbeing and parental controls, and here you've got some basic statistics. However, if you want to explore it a bit more, click in the middle of the screen, and here you can check everything since the first day of usage, actually it was yesterday. And you can also check screen time, notifications received or times opened. If you want to check one particular app only, just mark it. And here we've got statistics for this app only. You can check it daily, hourly, and as I told before, not only screen time but also times opened or notifications received. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.